So we got a Godox TT685C wireless flash transmitter and Canon 17 to 40 lens, Parabolic umbrella diffuser, Sigma 152 600 Sigma it comes with the USB dock and 95 protection filter. So this guy's impact umbrella, you can see TT685 Thinklite, my USB dock. This is the XProC transmitter for the Godox. You can see some, I don't know if it's Chinese or Japanese. China. This is my Canon 70 to 40 my wide angle lens, L series. Woohoo! My 600 contemporary Sigma lens. Right here, I don't know what this guy is. Okay, this is a Godox S-type Speedlite bracket. S-type mount. So this is for my umbrella. Is my telephoto lens from Sigma. Let's open it. Warranty sticker. It came with a bag. Thank you, B&H. Such a nice bag. Oh no. Really heavy. Not sure if you can see. It's really heavy. Such nice. It's made in Japan. You can see the contemporary C here. The lock it. Lock it, you can't twist. unlock it, you can look at that. Jeez, such a beautiful ones. Not sure where this ring goes. I need to read the manual. Most likely here. Mount for flash photography. This goes to the stand, and this is where my TT685 goes. Box Canon 75. This is a Canon. Look at the nice soft box. Nice. I like it. It's leather pouch. You see the leather pouch? Nice. Nice. Made in Japan as well. Good. Go. There you go. Wide angle. Awesome. Ouch. Like these pouches. Nice. Nice.